Hello, welcome to the Job Trakr Web tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will be going over the Photos and Documents section of Trakr Web. On the left side of the screen, you will see Photos and Documents. Now, if I left-click on this Photos section, you can view all of the media attached, such as photos and videos, from each room task list, installation, or moisture report. You can have the photos to filter out by task or by the date. You can click on the blue circle button to reset this filter. This comes in handy when you want to provide proof of a job completed, or if you find that there is some damage to the rooms. For example, if you see that the job was completed and you uploaded a photo and then later the manager comes back announcing that there is damage to the flooring, we can say that we left with no damage and we have photos of proof in the media section showing that there was no damage when we left the job site or showing proof that the job was completed at the highest standard. In the Documents section, you can view the documents you have uploaded, or you can click on Upload Document in the top right if you want to add any documents that may be needed, such as additional floor plan images, or any text for instructions or installation instructions. Once you add items to this list, you can click on, for example, a PDF and view the plan with the details and the notes, abbreviation symbols, keynotes, or additional information you may need from here to complete the job and stay on track. You can also access this option via Plan View. To attach a photo, you can click on the plan and then click on the room and scroll down and click on Add Photo. Here you can select the option to select a photo and then select Upload to upload it. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe to our channel for future videos and information for all Measure Square products.